In the last video we looked at Arbitrum and optimistic rollups for scaling Ethereum. In this video we take a deep dive into another project which just announced a newly emerging scaling solution and the first ever hybrid rollup. This could be the scaling solution that gets mass adoption as it combines optimistic rollup architecture with zero-knowledge proofs, which has never been done before, and is why this could be a great time to invest in this token. Not financial advice, always do your own research. If you had invested just $1,000 into Polygon Matic at its launch, and sold at its peak in 2021, you would made well over $1 million. This project goes one step further, and where Polygon has a $10 billion market cap, this has just $100 million, so stay tuned to make sure you get the full picture in future price prediction. Optimistic rollups and ZK rollups are both layer 2 scaling solutions for Ethereum, but they differ in their trade-offs. Optimistic rollups offer the following benefits. Lower gas fees. Optimistic rollups use a fraud-proof mechanism that reduces the need for expensive zero-knowledge proofs, resulting in lower gas fees. Flexibility. Optimistic rollups are more flexible in terms of what applications can be built on them, as they do not require complex cryptographic computations. Easier to use. Optimistic rollups do not require users to learn new cryptographic concepts, making them easier to use and more accessible. However, optimistic rollups also have some downsides. For example, they are more susceptible to malicious behavior from validators, and transactions on optimistic rollups take longer to finalize. On the other hand, ZK rollups offer higher security guarantees and faster transaction finality, but they require more complex cryptographic computations and can be more expensive to use. Overall, the choice between optimistic rollups and ZK rollups depends on the specific needs of the application and the trade-offs that are acceptable for its use case. Hybrid rollups aim to solve the limitations of both optimistic and ZK rollups by combining the benefits of each. This results in a more efficient and secure layer 2 solution for dApps on Ethereum. Metis is a multi-layer solution stack for the Web3 economy, building the first of its kind, Ethereum hybrid rollup. Metis is building a framework for open, decentralized, and trustless collaboration. Initially, Metis focused on optimistic rollups to achieve scalability, but they already had two distinct differences to other optimism platforms. They achieved a higher level of decentralization by using multiple sequencers as opposed to one. It also uses its own virtual machine, the Metis virtual machine. In addition, they use their own token, where other platforms used wrapped ETH. Metis recently announced they are building the first hybrid rollup, saying, "Today, we're excited to share that Metis is building the first ever hybrid rollup, combining the transcendent scalability of optimistic rollups with the security and fast finality of zero-knowledge rollups." By combining these two architectures, Metis will provide a secure, developer-friendly layer 2 for Ethereum developers to deploy all types of decentralized applications. We remain committed to our vision of building a Web3 economy, and we consider this upcoming implementation a key step toward our goal. Metis will make the development of this new architecture one of its top priorities, and will open source the technology, as we believe collaboration is an essential part of Ethereum's and Web3's ethos. Hybrid rollups work by combining the fast transaction processing of optimistic rollups with the privacy and security of ZK rollups. This is achieved through a process called fraud-proof verification. In a hybrid rollup, transactions are first processed in a similar way to optimistic rollups. They are bundled together into a single block and processed off-chain. However, instead of relying solely on validators to verify transactions, a small subset of transactions are selected at random to be verified using zero-knowledge proofs. This process ensures that transactions are processed quickly and efficiently, while also providing the security and privacy guarantees of ZK rollups. Metis has a strong team of experienced developers, advisors, and investors who are dedicated to advancing the project's goals and ensuring its success. Our team's research has shown Metis to be a solid project, and we believe Metis to be a great investment at this time, but always do your own research. As the crypto industry continues to evolve and mature, Metis has the potential to become a major player in the space, and investors and developers alike should keep an eye on its progress. At the time of making this video, Metis hybrid rollups are in development and the price of Metis at $25.34. Down 92% from its all-time high of $323.54. If the token returns to its all-time high price, that would already be more than a 12x. We believe the future price of Metis could reach over $2,000, and we will explain why. Let's compare it to Polygon, as they both focus on Layer 2 Ethereum scaling. If Metis was to achieve the same market cap as Polygon, that would give it a price of $2,309, almost a 100x. From our research, we believe it could do much more than that. Bear in mind, Polygon has a max token supply of 10 billion, while Metis has a max supply of only 10 million. Bringing scarcity into the equation. A lower max token supply can make the price go higher due to the basic economic principle of supply and demand. What are your thoughts on Metis? Let us know in the comments below, and let us know your favorite crypto projects too. Thanks for watching, and we will see you on the next video.